Hey guys, I just bought a light Lowe's today. This Ego light is on sale at Lowe's right now. It usually goes for $179, $180, but it's on sale. It's on clearance for $80. So I was walking around and I saw it and I was like, I'm gonna buy this. And this is the item number if you want to look it up, on the 4660501. If you want to look it up on your phone or something like that. But this is a really nice light. It is 10,000 lumens and it uses the same battery that all of Ego tools uses. It's a 56 volt light, battery. I have one of that battery because I have a chainsaw with this company and it should work on this. So I'm gonna do the unboxing right now so we can see how it looks like, and then I'll test it out and see how bright it is for you guys to see. So if you enjoy stuff like this, reviews, tool reviews and stuff like that, stick around and I'll share with you guys what I think of this light, okay? So it is not opened yet. It's just brand new. It's dusty. It was underneath their storage things up there, and so they got it for me. So I haven't even unboxed it yet, but I know it should be good. They make some really cool products and stuff. So right now it only comes with the light. It doesn't come with the battery. See an X right here. It doesn't come with the charger, but I already have those, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. I do have it already right here. I have a charger and a battery that came with the chain. So this should work with this, and I'm going to share with you guys so you can see. All right. So let me just put that there, maybe a little on the side so it's not on the way. So here we go. So I'm gonna open it. They opens like that. Very good packaging, it looks like. There's a manual right here, register your tool, says I'm gonna register it. And then it comes with this box. And then it's heavy. There's nothing in here, just that and then this other one. So I'm gonna put this back in here and then just move that on the side. So here's the light right here. It looks like that. You can hook it up on something. You can also put it on a tripod. You can put it on just a normal tripod. On the bottom here, you can put it right here. That's what is back here. This is illumination, 360 degrees illumination right here, which is great. It's got a handle that you can lift. You can hold the width right here. It stands like that. So this tilts up like this, so it will light up like that. It says 10,000 lumens right here. Man, 10,000. That means it's gonna be very super bright. It says on low with 5 amps batteries, 35 up to 35 hours with a 5 amp battery. It can work for 35 hours. Wow, that's a lot of hours, huh? We'll test it and see if whatever they're saying really is true. But that's how it looks right now. I still have a plastic here. I'll take that later. Take that out later. It is LED lights, so this rotates, and you can actually also charge your phone right here. It's got a USB charger right here. So let's take this battery over here and then plug it in here and see how. I'm gonna show you how the battery goes in here. Pretty simple. Their batteries are pretty simple and it just slides in like that. And then there's a on and button, and then there's plus to increase the light. So let me turn it on, and that's on right there. It looks bright, huh? And that's just like very minimal light right now. 10,000 lumens. Right now it's not 10,000. You can tighten that so it doesn't move too much. It's no heating because it's LED. So this light's right here, lights right here, lights right here. I like that. So if I let me increase the lighting and see how. That's just one push and it get way too bright. And let me just not put it on your face. So let me put it like that. That's more. That's more. Whoa. Look at that. That's the 4, 5. I think you can do it up to 5. So that's like all of it right now. It is freaking bright. so bright. I'm in my basement, and the basement is super bright with the big windows like this, but it is super bright. So let me turn it down a little bit and turn it down. That's down. That's all the way down now. You can turn that off. You can turn that and leave that on, and then you can turn it back on. So there you go. So you got 4 lights here that you can work with. And then I'm gonna show you the back. The back looks like that. The battery just sits here, and you make sure that this is flashy. It's not gonna fall in the front. And it's still saying that here's just a 360 degree illumination. I think they mean all around like that. And you can do the 360. I think that's what it means. You can rotate it like that and it'll be illuminating 360 around by moving this. This is nice. It's battery powered, no cables. I do have like a work light that's powered. You know, you go some places sometimes like there's no power. So you need something like this that uses the batteries that can help, that you can move around and be able to finish your work, okay? especially if it's new construction and you have to do something and you just need a light to fix something really quick. So this should be able to help me do my DIY stuff. So it's on sale right now at Lowe's. I'll post a link in the description for you guys to see. But if you live closer to Lowe's, just go to Lowe's. Not a lot of them have them right now, but I was able to, when the one that's closer to my house, I went to and they had only 2 left. It's usually $180, so it's $179.99, something like that. So that's $180, but it's on clearance right now for $80. So if you need a light like this, please rush to Lowe's and get it. So if you have any questions about this, if you want me to maybe share something specific about it, the bottom looks like that. It's got all those, and then it's got this tripod thing here they can put it on. Let me know and I'll be able to, I don't mind coming on a video and doing another review for you to see. We are a community, we help each other, okay? So that's it. See you later.